Who would win in a one-on-one battle? The Borg Cube or the Death Star 2. The Borg ship is a 3,000-meter cube that carries up to 130,000 drones. But the Borg Cube is more than just a giant ship. It is a self-repairing cybernetic fortress, equipped with cutting beams, tractor systems, transporter technology, and adaptive energy weapons designed to overwhelm enemy defenses. It's a machine built for one purpose: assimilation. The Borg don't just fight, they adapt. Their weapons evolve in real time. What works against them once may never work again. Their defensive shields adjust as needed. They are designed to analyze incoming weapon frequencies and compensate on the fly. Damage them and they regenerate. Attack them and they learn. Resistance is futile. The Death Star 2 is a weapon of unimaginable scale. It's 200 kilometers in diameter with a crew of over 2 million. That's not a warship. That's an artificial moon built for planetary scale destruction. The energy output of its reactor dwarfs almost anything the Borg have ever encountered. It doesn't need to adapt. It simply destroys. A single shot from its superlaser can wipe out an entire planet in seconds. Its defenses are monstrous. Thousands of heavy turbo lasers unleashing plasma at over 25,000 degrees Celsius. Ion cannons designed to cripple enemy systems. And swarms of TIE fighters acting as a moving perimeter defense. So what would happen if they met in open space?